Hi guys, my topic today is about definite integral. When we say definite integral, there are two limits. So we have the lower limit and then the upper limit. So from a to b, then we have function of x with respect to dx is equals to f of b minus f of a. So let us solve this one. Integral from 1/4 to 1, the function is square root of 1 minus square root of y over y dy. So I will rewrite this one in a simpler one. So this will be integral from 1/4 to 1. So this will be square root of 1 minus square root of y times dy over square root of y. Okay? Now, let us assume that u will be this one. 1 minus square root of y. So, differentiating with respect to y, so this will be 0 minus 1 over 2 y raised to the negative 1/2 times 1, then this will be dy. Okay, so du is equal to negative 1 over 2 y raised negative 1 over 2 dy. Okay, so I will multiply both sides by negative 2. So this one will be crossed out, including the negative sign. So this is now negative 2 du will be equal to y raised negative 1 over 2 dy. Okay, so this will be negative 2 du is equal to, I will write in a radical form and then applying the index law of algebra. So this will be dy over y raised to the 1/2, or this will be negative 2 du will be equal to dy over square root of y. So I have now dy over square root of y is now negative 2 du. Okay, so this will be integral from 1/4 to 1. Take note, square root of 1 minus square root of y will be my u. So this will be u raised to 1/2. And then times dy over square root of y is negative 2 du. Okay, so I will place this negative 2 before the integration because this is constant. So this will be negative 2 integral from 1/4 to 1, then u to the 1/2 du. Okay, so by integrating u to the 1/2, take note u to the 1/2. That will be plus 1 over 1/2 plus 1. So this will be u 3/2, and then this will be over 3/2. So this will be negative 2, then u 3/2. 3/2, right? Because 1/2 plus 1, LCD will be 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1 times 1, 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2 times 1 is 2. So this will be 3/2. Okay, so this will be also 3/2. Then limits from 1/4 to 1. So these 3/2 will be changed and then multiply with the negative 2. So this will be negative 2. Then upside down of 3/2 times 2 over 3. 2 over 3, then I have now u to the 3/2 limits are from 1/4 to 1. Okay, so this will be negative 4 over 3. And then u 3/2 limits from 1/4 to 1. Okay, so this will be negative 4 over 3. U, this will be 1 minus square root of y. This will be raised to 3 over 2. And then limits from, let's say, So I will use circle brackets only, so that I can use square brackets with the limits. So this is from 1/4 to 1. Then this will be 3 halves. Okay, so negative 4 over 3, I will use braces. Then, use brackets, square brackets. This will be 1 minus square root of FB minus FA, square root of 1, raised to the 3 halves power, and then minus FA. So 1 minus square root of 1 over 4, 1 over 4. 3 halves, then close with braces. So allow me to erase this one for more spaces. Okay, so I have negative 4 over 3. Then this one, right? So I will use square brackets. 1 minus square root of 1 is 1. Then raised to the 3 halves power. And then minus 1 minus square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2. Raised to the 3 halves power. Okay? So this will be negative 4 over 3. This will be 0. Raised to the 3 halves. Then minus 1 minus 1 half. LCD will be 2. 2 divided by 1 is 2 times 1 is 2. Minus 2 divided by 2 is 1 times 1, 1. So this will be 1 over 2. So this is 1 over 2 raised to the 3 halves power. Okay? 0 raised to the 3 halves, that will be 0. So this will be negative 4 over 3. 0, right? Then this will be, what is, let's say, 1 raised to 1 half times 3. So square root of 1 is 1. Then cube of 1 is still 1. So this will be 1. Then how about 2? 2 will be 3. I can do like this one. So 2 to the power of 3, that is 8. And then raised to 1 half, or this will be equal to square root of 8. And what is square root of 8, by the way? Square root of 8, so let us take the factors inside the radical. So this will be 4 times 2, right? And then this will square root of 4 is 2, and then I have square root of 2. So meaning, this is 2 square root of 2. Maybe I can use this one in here. This one. Circle brackets. Okay, so this will be negative 4 over 3. Then this will be negative 1 over 2 square root of 2. So negative times negative, that will be positive. Then 4 divided by 2, that is 2. So I have in here negative 2 over 3 times 1 over square root of 2. Okay, so I can have this one as negative 2 over 3 square root of 2. Then I have to rationalize the denominator having the radical symbol. So I need to multiply both numerator and denominator by square root of 2. Okay, so this will be negative 2 square root of 2. Then this will be 3. Square root of 2 times square root of 2, the same base, having the same exponent. So copy the base and then add the exponents. So 2 raised to 1, or simply 2. So this will be 2. So this will be crossed out. So I have now negative square root of 2 over 3. Or this will be negative 1/3 times square root of 2. So this is now my final answer. Thank you for watching.